form a past simple and how to form a present perfect. For the regular verbs, we take the infinitive form of the verb and add ed for the past simple. For example, I kicked the ball. For the irregular verbs, we use the unique past simple form. For instance, she bought a bike. For the present perfect, we use the auxiliary verb to have and the past participle. For the regular verbs, we make a past participle by adding ed to the infinitive form of the verb. For instance, I've kicked the ball. For the irregular verbs, the present perfect also uses a past participle, but this past participle has a unique past perfect form. She has bought a bike. Now, let's have a look at when we use a past simple. We use a past simple when something happened at a specific time in the past. I broke my leg last week, so it's important that I tell you that it was last week. For the present perfect, time is not important. I've broken my leg, and it's not important when it happened. We also use a present perfect for things that started in the past but have continued in the present. For example, I've lived here since 2012. In the past simple, that would be I lived there in 2012, meaning I no longer live there. I thank you for your attention. For regular
Okay. Yeah. Could you share what you remember about the differences between both tenses? Okay, let's see on the chat box. Okay. Naila, a simple needs specific time. Yes. Lalu, a simple format ed, specific time. Yes. Present perfect time doesn't matter. Yep. Lalu, okay, Masita, take care. Present perfect doesn't need specific time. Yes. Aren't a simple subject past verb ed. Yes, good. Have your past simple specific time the past verb ed. Present perfect time doesn't matter. Okay, good. Gazala. Okay, good. Gazala. Devi. Something starting past. Yes, Devi. Rizky. Past simple. Yes. Past simple verb ed in a specific time. Yep, yep, yep. Aini. Yes, okay, you got the point. You got the concept of both tenses. Great job. All right, now we continue with where is it? Okay, what next? After this, we continue with the practice, page 29. Have you downloaded the material? We go to page 29 for exercise 14.1, 42. Okay, stop sharing and change it into this one. Okay, okay. Oh, this one. Where is it? Okay, this one. Have you seen the ebook? Page 29. Okay, we can come to this exercise 13.1. Is it visible? Exercise 13.1.
Yes.
Okay. Yep. All right. Now let's complete it together. The sentence. I'll use present perfect wherever possible, or otherwise use the past simple. Now, picture 1. I can't get in. I've lost my key. Yeah. How about picture 2? The office is empty now. Everybody, what's this?
Has gone.
Everybody has gone home. Has gone home. Okay. Okay. Has gone. Okay. Now 3. I meant to call you last night, but what here? Number 3. I meant to call you last night, but it happened in the past. Yeah. Anyone can answer?
Forgot, ma'am.
Forgot. Forgot, yeah. Forgot it. Okay. How about number 4? Picture 4. Helen. This is Helen. To New York for a holiday, but she's back home in London now. She's now in London. But she still remember that she to New York for a holiday. It's in the past. Holiday in the past. So Helen, but apa?
When?
When?
Yeah, Helen
When?
went to London, went to New York for a holiday, but now she's back home in London now. Okay, now have a look at picture 5. The woman says, "Are you okay?" And the man says, yes, a headache, but now it's okay. Now before that, he headache. What is it? Have.
Had.
Had.
Had. I had.
I had.
Yeah, good. I had a headache, but now it's okay. It's okay now. Now, picture 6. The man with the car. Can you help us? Our car. Is it in the past or still
Have.
continues until now?
Have broke.
Have broke. The car
Has broken down.
has broken down. Yeah, has.
Oh, okay.
Car it. Yeah, it, and then break. Verb 3, broken. Now has broken down. Still broken now. That's why he asked somebody to help them. All right. Now, how about 13.2? The underlined past part of the sentence is okay. If it's not okay, we need to correct them when necessary. Did you hear about Sophie? She's given up her job. This is okay. Correct. But number 2, my mother has grown up in Italy. It should be my mother grew up in Italy. Tumbuh besar di Italia. Yep. And then 3, how many plays has William Shakespeare written? Is William Shakespeare alive now? Alive or dead?
No. No.
Not alive. So it's in the past. So the sentence is correct or not?
False.
Yeah, not okay, yeah? Not okay. So how do we change it?
Did William Shakespeare write?
Sorry. How many
How many plays
plays apa
How many play
Past tense. How many plays did
did William?
William Shakespeare, yeah?
Yeah,
WS. Did William Shakespeare?
right.
Yeah, that's right. Back to the original verb one.
Verb one.
Okay, now how about number 4? I've forgotten his name. Is it Joe or Jack? Is it okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Now 5. Who has invented paper? Paper. Do we have paper now? Can we use paper now? Yes, right. The invention was in the past. Yeah, it's already done. So this sentence is not okay. So how it should be? Who?
Without has. Who invited Pepper?
Who invited Pepper?
Yeah, betul. Who invented paper? But my question, invented here in the past tense and invented here has invented. Are they the same invented or the same or not? In the form, in which form? Nama yang ini. Who has invented? Verb keberapa? Verb 3, right? Then this one is in verb 2. Yeah, past tense. Okay. For number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, could you write down your answer on the chat box? The answers only. If you need to write down the sentence, you don't need to write down all the sentence, only the correction, the underlined sentence, the underlined part of the sentence. Yeah, should I give you 5 minutes to write down on the chat box? Okay, I look at the chat box. Mhm. Devi. How about number 6, Devi?
Oh, number 6.
Yeah, number 6.
Number 6. Okay, ma'am.
Mm-mm.
Drugs have I miss number 6, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am.
Come on, the others. Okay. So number 6. Number 6. Yeah, number 6 is okay. 6 okay. Number 7. It is in the past. We washed. Yeah. It's finished washing in the past. So the clean washing finished. But now it's dirty again. Okay. Were you born? Yeah, where were you born? That's correct. Where were you born? Good. Then Ellie has concept. For 9 is okay. Then Albert Einstein was. And then the scientist, developed the theory of relativity. Yeah, so it's in the past. Yeah, Albert Einstein already passed away. Okay, good. Yeah, your answer are mostly correct. Good job. Then let's make this one. It stopped raining for a while. Yeah, 13.3, but now it's raining again. Number 2, the town where I live is very different now. It has changed a lot. Number 3, I studied German at school, but what is it? I of it now, but apa? Okay, should I ask you ask one of you? Can I ask Rena? Rena, number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Wait.
number 3. Yeah, the others, please be ready to be called by Rena. After this, Rena will call a friend to continue number 4. Are you on the way, Rena? Or are you
No,
driving?
no. I already arrived at home, ma'am. I
Oh, okay.
studied German at number 3. I
Mm-mm.
studied German at school, but I have forgot most of it now.
I have forgotten. Ya,
Oh,
bentuk
I have
ketiga ini.
forgotten. Okay, fine.
Have forgotten.
Forgotten. Bentuk ketiga.
Forgotten.
Forgotten.
Okay. Double T. Yeah, Rena, choose a friend for number 4, please.
Okay.
Coba.
Johannes.
Pak Jo, are you there, Pak Jo?
Yes. Number
Yeah.
4. The
Yes.
police arrested 3 people, but later they let them go.
Arrested,
Arrested.
but later they let them go. Okay, let is also in the past. So arrested also in the past. Yep, good.
Yep.
All right. Choose a friend to continue. Number 5, please.
I choose Devi Sandra Wulan.
Yeah, okay. Devi,
Number 5. Number 5, yeah, ma'am.
what do you think?
What do you think? What do you think of my English? Do you think it has improved?
Yeah, very good.
Correct.
Okay, Devi, good. Who's next, Devi?
Mbak Rintika.
Nomor berapa, Mem?
Yeah,
Nomor 6 ya? Are you ready to
Yeah, number
go? Have you finished your coffee? Finish
Yeah,
with ED.
Yep. Okay. Have you finished? Yeah, who's next?
Avio, Mem.
Afio.
Hello.
Number
Hello.
7. Yeah. We can hear you, Afio. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am. My connection is bad. Share screen-nya nggak muncul di saya, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Jadi nggak bisa lihat. Nggak bisa
Iya,
lihat.
nggak kelihatan.
Waduh, jadi
Nggak kelihatan aja.
Afio ikut membuka file sendiri aja gitu.
Oh, oke. Siap, ma'am. Ntar, ma'am. Ini udah muncul, ma'am. Ntar, ma'am. Muncul.
Alright, number 7.
Number 7. Blah, 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 for a job as a tour guide, but I wasn't successful. I have applied, ma'am. Answer.
I have applied for a job. Okay, but the next clause is but I wasn't.
Oh, I
Wasn't
wasn't.
successful. It's in the
Oh,
past. So applied also in the past. So ya kan, kalau it wasn't, I wasn't successful. It's in the past, yeah. Applying for the job wasn't successful. So applied also in the job, in the past. Yeah, okay, it's okay. I feel. Who's next? Choose a friend, please. I feel. Probably lost connection.
hello.
Hello, Afio. Can you choose a friend for number 8?
Number 8, Kapriska.
Okay, Priska. Where's my bike? Oh, sit down.
Number 8. Where's my bike? It was outside the house, but it's not there now.
Okay, it was. Yeah, good. Okay. Who's next? Priska, choose somebody, please.
Kak Fadia, ma'am.
Yeah, Fadia.
Can you
Fadia.
hear my voice?
Yes. That's clear.
Quick, we need to call an ambulance. There was an accident.
Quick, we need to call an ambulance. We need to call it now. An accident is there. There was, if it is there was or there has been. The accident is still there and we need.
Oh, there has been an accident.
Mhm. Yeah, there has been an accident. Yeah, okay. Yeah, who's next, please? Number 10.
Kak Kiki.
Okay, Kak Kiki. Yeah. Okay,
And
good.
then
Where?
number 10, I I found my phone of good. Oh, where did you find it? It was at the bottom of my bag.
Okay, I found my phone. Okay.
Where did you find it?
Where did
Where did you find it?
you find?
Was at the bottom of my bag.
Okay, it was. Yep. Okay, good. Who's next, please?
Hmm, Gazala.
Yeah, Gazala, number 11.
Ben won't be able to play tennis for a while. He has broken his arm.
Mm-hmm.
How did that happen?
Mm-hmm.
He fell off a ladder.
Okay. How did it
How
happen?
did that happen? Yes, ma'am.
How did that happen? He fell off, yeah. He fell off the ladder. A ladder. Okay. Great job. Yep, for all of you. Now we come to, okay, this is a comparison between present perfect, have done, and past simple. So we use the present perfect for a period of time that continues until now. Yeah, we can use time marker today, this week, or since, and year or time. It's unfinished. Yep, it is unfinished activity. But for past simple, we use past simple for a finished time in the past. For example, yesterday, last week, from 2010 to 2014, yeah, it finished in the past. Now, it's not that yet anymore. Yeah, okay. You can see lots of sample here. Now we come to page 29. Mm, okay. Yeah. The last person's reading was Gazala. Yeah. Okay. Choose a friend for number 3, please, Gazala.
Wait, ma'am.
Yeah, here we underline parts of the sentence, whether it's okay or not, and correct them where necessary, as we did just now. Yeah, before. Yeah, you can choose anyone who has done Ghazala. It's okay.
Ayla.
Naila. Okay, Naila. Naila ada. Naila?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
I bought a new car. You must come and see it. That's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Naila. Choose the other, please, for next number.
Naya.
Mm-hmm. Naya. Naya, are you there? Okay, I think Naya is not there. Naila, choose somebody else, please. I haven't heard the word
Kevin.
Kevin. Okay, Kevin. Kevin juga nggak. Oh, oke ada. Oke.
Number 4, ma'am.
Yeah.
I bought a new car. You must come and see it.
Oh, it's done. Number 3. Number 4.
Oh,
4.
I bought a new I bought a new car last week.
Yeah, I bought. Yeah, I bought. Not bought, but bought. I bought. Yes, okay. Right, who's next? Number 5, please. Kevin, choose a friend.
Lalu, ma'am.
Lalu, yeah, Lalu.
Where have you been yesterday evening? It's incorrect. It should be where were you yesterday evening?
Where were you? Yes. Okay, good. Who's next, Lalu? Widya. Okay. Yes. Widya, come on.
Okay, ma'am. Maria has left school in 1999. It's incorrect. It should be Maria left school in 1999.
Okay. Maria left school. Yep. Good. Left. Yeah, it should be left. Left. Who's next, please? Okay.
Cynthia.
Cynthia, yeah. Cynthia, number 7.
I'm looking for Mike. Have you seen him? The sentence is okay.
Okay, yeah, good. Who's next? Number 8. Cynthia, choose somebody, please, to continue 8.
Arintika.
Kak siapa? Rintika.
Arintika.
Nomor berapa tadi?
8.
8. Have you been to Paris? Yes, many times. Okay.
Okay, yes, that's right. Who's next? Good.
Aini ada nggak? Aini?
Aini ada, harusnya ada. Aini.
Number 9.
Yeah.
I'm very hungry. I haven't eaten much today. Okay.
Okay, yeah, good. You must be very hungry. Okay. Then, who's next?
Priska.
Priska. Priska, when has this bridge been built?
Yes, ma'am.
Priska, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, number 10.
Number 10 is, when was the bridge built?
When was the bridge? Built-nya bagaimana?
Built-nya B-U-I-L-T.
With D or T? When was this bridge built? B-U-I-L-T atau B-U-I-L-D?
B-U-I-L-T.
Yeah, it's built. Yeah, Ini pasif ya, past tense in passive. Okay. Right, now we come to 14.2. You are making sentences from the words in brackets. Use the present perfect or past simple. Now, number 1, it not rained this week. It hasn't rained this week. 2, the weather be cold recently. It becomes the weather
Has been cold recently.
has been cold recently. Okay. Okay. For number 3, it cold last week. So it should be, what's the verb here? It was cold last week. Yeah, all right. For the rest, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Could you write down on the chat column again? Yeah, should I give you 5 minutes? 5 minutes to write down on the chat box. Oh, atau ini aja. Is it possible to write on a chat column, comment column on a GCR, so I can see I can keep your answer there. Is it possible?
Yes.
Please write. Okay, write down on a class comment for today's session.
Di GCR di present perfect simple versus past simple ya, ma'am ya. Session 7.
Session 7.
Siap.
Ya. Di sini. Exercise 14.2 number 408. Okay, I'm taking your attendance based on your writing here ya. Jadi yang lagi di kereta, yang lagi di jalan bisa turun sebentar, duduk sebentar, tulis di sini. Saya catat sebagai absen, kehadiran.
Langsung di classwork comment gitu ya, Ma'am?
Ya.
Sudah benar belum? Aku udah.
Sorry Miss Amelia, saya lagi di kereta jarak jauh dari Jakarta ke Kediri. Laptop saya di koper, saya pakai HP.
Bisa akses.
Caranya gimana ya? Saya agak bingung. Mungkin linknya ada linknya, tidak. Saya bingung. Ini baru pertama juga pakai.
Di HP sudah download Google Classroom belum? Di HP-nya. Mas Sita?
Iya, bingung gimana caranya.
Di HP ada Google Classroom, sudah download? Sudah ada?
Sudah.
Nah, diklik saja masuk ke sana, lalu masuk ke mata kuliah ini, Structure Bahasa Inggris 3 lanjutan. Masuk ke kelas.
Ya.
Lalu masuk ke session 7. Session
Classwork-nya dipilih dulu, Kak.
Ya, classwork session 7.
Terus ada apa namanya? PDF-nya, terus
Yang
ada
ini
komen
ya,
di bawah.
present perfect simple vs past simple kan?
Ya,
Ya, oke.
ya. Lalu ini exercise
Saya jawabnya di mana?
di kelas komen. Ada kelas komennya. Ini teman-teman udah banyak yang isi. Bisa nggak dilihat soalnya mungkin bisa dari screen aja, nggak usah buka filenya. Bisa lihat
Iya.
dari screen Google Meet. Di screen Google Meet
Komen. Oh, komen ya. Kok no comment in this comment ya?
kelas komen. Ketemu?
Ada, tapi ada tulisannya no comment in this document dan nggak bisa saya klik gimana ya caranya?
Oh,
Agak
ya udah.
bingung.
Kalau gitu Mbak Masita tulisnya di ini aja kolom komennya Google Meet saja dari kita.
Ya Google di chat ya.
Chat box saja. Nggak
Oke.
apa-apa.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Arentika ya.
Ma'am.
Ya, ya.
Mau tanya, Ma'am, kan minggu lalu kan konflik asinkronus ya. Terus kan ada exercise dan ada homework. Yang homework kan infonya akan dikumpulkan di minggu ini ya, Ma'am, benar nggak?
Homeworknya ya minggu ini.
Itu berarti Ma'am belum ada taruh ini ya di GCR, belum ada taruh link tugasnya berarti ya? Atau kita perlu kumpulin di mana, Ma'am?
Sebentar, saya lihat yang minggu lalu. Coba ya sebentar. Minggu lalu session 6. Session 6 sudah ada ini. Present perfect simple and continuous session 6 minggu lalu.
Oh, jadi homeworknya juga dikumpulin di situ, Ma'am?
Iya, jadi 2.
Oh, soalnya kan ada perintah bahwa the homework will be submit by next Thursday midnight. Jadi aku pikir ada link GCR untuk homework tersendiri gitu, Ma'am.
Kalau dalam pikiran saya tetap di sini, jadi ada tambahan. Tapi bisa nggak ini kalau sudah masukkan tugas kelas Jumat lalu ada tambahan homework di tambahan file di sini bisa tidak? Apa harus?
Yang sekarang ini nggak bisa, Ma'am, soalnya work cannot be turned in after the due date. Jadi nggak bisa di-submit dulu terus ditambah file.
I see. I see. Oke, sorry, saya belum update ininya. Sorry. Saya belum update due date-nya yang minggu lalu. Sebentar ya, saya update. Jadi di unsubmit dulu, lalu dimasukkan lagi ke sana. Jadi ada 2 tugas. Tugas yang minggu lalu sudah masuk plus homework.
Oke, Ma'am, thank you.
You're welcome. 1 November, jadi harusnya
yang izin, Ma'am, itu yang 2 tugas itu yang 25 Oktober bukan ya? Yang sesi 5.
Sesi 5 masuknya sesi 5.
Iya, ini kalau yang sesi 6 kan, saya kebetulan ngejerain cuma 1. Oh, itu 2 juga ya harusnya ya? Tapi saya masukin ke 1 dokumen sih. Maksudnya saya ngerjain tapi di 1 PDF.
1 PDF, termasuk homework-nya?
Iya.
Oh, ya udah, berarti udah selesai. Berarti sudah terkumpul.
Siap.
Oke. Ya, sebentar. Ini harusnya tanggal enggak Sabtu. Sabtu, tapi hari ini berarti ya. Oke. Hari ini, nanti malam. Jadi kalau udah buat, tinggal dimasukkan. Unsubmit dulu yang tugas minggu lalu dimasukkan bersama-sama malam ini. Oke. Yap. Kita sekarang ke sesi 7. Ya, Arintika, I didn't open Ethan, Amin. Sudahkah semua? Sambil saya catat absen ya, presents. Arintika, Naila, Cynthia, Aini, Jo, lalu Rizka, Rena, Rizky, Devi, Afio, Kevin, Gazala, Widya, Fania. Oke, ya yang sudah, oke, cek yang on the chat box, we can see Masita. Sawa tidak ada. How about Ihsan? I see Ihsan on the list of the attendance here. Oh, nggak ada Ihsan. Tadi ada ya, tapi nggak. Joella, no. Naya. Naya nggak ada ya. Joella, Ihsan tadi ada, tapi terus tidak ada. Oke. Let's check it out. Yep. Number 4, I didn't eat. I didn't eat any fruit yesterday. Okay. 5, I haven't eaten any fruit today. 6, Emily has earned a lot of money this year. Okay. Then 7, she did not earn so much last year. 8, have you been a holiday? Have you had a holiday recently? Yeah, have you had a holiday recently because of recently? Yep. Okay, 14-2, 14-3. Okay, what time is it? It's already 19. Okay. Okay. What do you have? 14-1, 14-2. Yeah, we have done 14.1, 14.2. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Now let's go back to this exercise already. All right, this is the class recap for past simple versus present simple perfect. Yeah, let's watch this video. Oh, not from here. Wait a minute. Class recap. Uh, uh, okay, this is the class recap. Let's change my sharing. Okay, simply past simple versus present perfect. Okay, that's the recap for those kind of tenses. Okay, now we come to what we have next. Okay, that's about the past simple and present perfect simple. Now we come to review for all materials that you have got during this first half of the semester. Yeah, okay. I'm going to show you the review file that you can do it individually. This one with our grammar review. This one. Yeah, now I'm going to share it with you on a Google Classroom. Could you download it and do it directly on the Google Docs, on the Word document here. Classwork, present simple, or class review. I create assignment for class review. Review.
Izin Ibu, saya belum menemukan di GCR Ibu yang grammar review worksheet.
Ya belum. Saya sedang menguploadnya menjadi session tersendiri. Karena sebentar. Grammar review worksheet. Nah, ini. It's just posted. Review. It's a review on session. It is for session 1 through 7. The topic is review. Grammar review worksheet. Have you got it? Bye. Okay, due date, you do it in 20 minutes. It's now today, Friday. Friday, okay. Time, 21. 20. Then we are going to check it together at 20, 21, 20.
Maaf, Mam, itu yang setelah tadi yang 2 yang dikerjakan saya di chat box itu, terus mana lagi ya?
Ini grammar review. Grammar
ini baru
review
ini yang
bisa diambil di session 1 sampai
saya
7
boleh minta
review.
linknya?
Link sebentar.
Ya.
Linknya
Atau ya yang ditampilin ini aja ya, saya capture ya, bisa ya?
Jangan, nggak bisa dikerjakan kalau capture. Sebentar, saya put link on the chat box.
Oke.
Nah, how about the others? Have you got the file?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do it within 30 minutes? Then we'll be back at 21:20. Then we are going to review and check that together. Is everyone finished? Not yet?
I'm finished, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Finish.
Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay. Agreement.
Ma'am, maaf, tulisannya agak berantakan karena pakai tab, nggak pakai laptop.
Oh ya, nggak apa-apa. It is okay. Let's see how many of you have submitted.
Oh, di-submit ya? Lupa submit.
Not yet, ma'am.
Sorry. Belum di-submit.
Atau submitnya nanti setelah dikoreksi kalau sudah kita review.
Oh, oke.
Ya. Oke, semua sudah selesai. Bisa review sekarang lebih awal? Bisakah?
Saya masih ngerjain yang I sih, ma'am. Tapi nggak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa, selesaikan dulu aja. Waktunya masih ada 5 menit. Oke. Sudah? Can we check it down? Okay, I think we can check it together now. Review. Grammar review. Right, can you see the screen? Subject verb agreement. Yeah, subject verb agreement for number 1, the teacher explains the lesson very clearly every morning. 2, my friends enjoy. The new 3, the news are. The news is, it should be is, not are. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is not it. Harusnya ini. Okay. Okay. Yeah, number 3, the news is very surprising. Today, this news is singular. Now, each of the student has, and then 5, the dogs bark loudly when the mail comes. Yeah. Okay. Now, B, pronoun and antecedent agreement. So we should push the pronoun antecedent. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun that agrees with the antecedent. Everyone should bring his or her. Everyone, his or her can be feminine or masculine. Then 2, the boy lost his backpack. 3, neither of the girls said she would attend the meeting. Neither is considered singular, so she. The teachers finished checking their students' tests. Yeah, there because teachers, plural. And if a student wants to join, comma, she or he, yeah, a student, singular. So either he or she. Then complement. Complement can be direct object, indirect object, or subject complement. Yeah, for direct object, I highlighted in green, green. And then for indirect object, it's highlighted orange, and the subject complement in blue. So number 1, she gave her friend a beautiful gift. Okay, indirect object. The direct object is a beautiful gift. Oh, not that dark green, but light green. Okay, it's in green, yeah, direct object. Her friend, indirect object. Then the movie was very interesting. Very interesting is the subject complement. Words that explain or tells about the movie. And then the number 3, they elected Maria class president. Elected president. President is the direct indirect object. Maria is the indirect object. Ini terbalik. Class president is the direct object. And Maria is the indirect object. Sorry. The color is Light yellow. Maria is indirect object. Then 4, my mother sent me a message. Message is the, ini kenapa jadi terbalik-terbalik sih? Send a message is the direct object, while me is the indirect object. Okay. Yeah, indirect object me. Then he seems tired. Tired is the subject complement. Tired tells about subject he. Okay. Now from part A, B, C, how many numbers have you got incorrect?
Ma'am, sorry tadi yang nomor 3, Marianya jadinya apa, Ma'am? Sorry.
Maria is the
Kan
indirect
itu,
object. Indirect.
oh oke. Vice presidennya juga indirect.
No. Past president is the direct object.
Oh, direct object.
They elected president. Class president. Jadi direct object class president. Okay. Okay. Then part D, present and past simple. Present simple and past and progressive tense. I usually go to school by bus, but yesterday I walked. 2, C is studying English right now, but she didn't study yesterday evening. 3, they were playing football when it started to rain. 4, my father works in a bank, but he worked from home this week. Okay, 5. The children were watching a movie when the lights went out. Okay, then present perfect and past tense. Okay, you just do it this session. Yeah, 1, I visited Bali 3 times. It's done. It's finished. And 2, she has never seen snow before. 3, we met him at the conference last year. It's finished last year. 4, they have lived here since 2010. So still living here. And 5, the teacher has corrected the paper already. Or we can say the teacher has already corrected the papers. Okay, how many numbers have you got incorrect? And then if there is any question about this all, if you have corrected your work, please submit it. This will also be my notes for your attendance and activities, your interaction today, and your readiness for the midterm test. Yeah, for next week, you're going to have the midterm test. Don't forget to download the exam card and turn in your exam card in GCR not later than next Friday afternoon, 5 o'clock. So I check your exam card before we start in the same time as scheduled as our weekly session. Okay. Can I stop share? Yep. Okay. Right, if you don't have any question, I think that's all for the class today. Thank you for your nice participation and see you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Yeah, we leave the class. See you next week. Yeah, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum. Good night.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yeah, good night.